Just a 15 to 20 minute drive from NLEX Balagtas exit. This is Serene Townhomes located in Bunsuran, Pandi, Bulacan. Halika, tripping tayo. This is Serene Townhomes, a calm and peaceful community in a flood-free location in Pandi, Bulacan. Kita nyo naman, may farms pa sa likod. Pero hindi ito malayo ha. Serene is just 15 to 20 minutes away from NLEX Balagtas and just a 45-minute drive from Balintawak, Quezon City. Serene Townhomes is a 3-hectare exclusive community that comes with 24-hour security and complete amenities such as parks and playground, clubhouse, and basketball court. Serene offers 330 modern but affordable townhouse units. Each unit comes with 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. The typical floor area is 56 square meters and lot size is 50 square meters. Perfect on a starter home for newlyweds and first-time home buyers. In particular, for millennials na gusto yung modern townhouse design but at the same time budget-friendly. This is the perfect time to check Serene Townhomes. Project was launched just last August 2024, still in pre-selling phase, so mura pa and mahaba pa DP period. At the same time, tapos na ang model units, so you can verify na quality talaga ang finishes upon turnover. Project is being developed by 3A&E, the same developer behind Enclave at Kings Point, a fully delivered and completed project in Novaliches, Quezon City. Good day mga kabahay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Serene Townhomes in Pandi, Bulacan with Sir Noel Salazar, VP of 3A&E. Sir, bakit Serene Townhomes?
Hindi, kasi kung makikita mo, Roldan, nandito tayo, yung nakapaikot sa atin, di ba, mga rice field dito sa Bulacan. Pero few minutes away lang from Metro Manila. Kaya naisip namin, kaya namin tinawag na Serene.
Tahimik.
Tahimik, oo. Few minutes away from Metro Manila. Pero pag makikita, nandito ka sa gitna ng rice field, yung hangin, presko, relaxing.
So kunyari taga Quezon City ko, why should I consider buying sa Bulacan?
Unang-una, value. Yung product namin, magagaranti namin, yung marireceive nila is more than dun sa amount na ibabayad nila.
Parang value, parang for the same amount, mas magandang property makukuha natin.
For the price, sa Metro Manila wala ka naman na makukuha yung size, yung area, yung quality na i-deliver namin.
So ano yung mga key selling points, sir, ni Serene Townhomes?
Yung design, yung price, yun yung sinigurado namin na para dun sa mga buyers natin, yung pinaghirapan nila na pera is hindi masasayang.
Value for money talaga. Basta parang ganda ng turnover yun, no?
Siyempre, gusto natin, ayaw natin gumawa ng ordinary. Na gusto natin, siyempre, kahit ganyan yung amount is premium pa rin yung design.
Quality pa rin.
Oo. Pero ang ginawa namin, cluster of 6, yung buong fasad, para hindi mo kang row house.
Parang malapad yung frontage.
Kasi nga, yun yung design cluster of 6, pero magkakaiba yung design nila. Kaya pag tinignan mo, kala mo isang bahay lang yung cluster na 6. Kaya malaki yun, yung illusion, malaki tignan.
Parang kakaiba, parang wood yung harap niya. Parang sa isang project na rin, mahilig kayo sa mga wood design talaga.
Para hindi matigas tingan, medyo soft.
Para homey, Any last words, sir, para sa mga buyers natin?
Dun sa mga kabahay natin, ini-invite namin kayo para makita nyo yung ginagawa namin dito ngayon sa Pandi, Bulacan.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thanks for inviting us. Thank you 3A&E and Rodland for sponsoring this video. If you want to see the sample computation and availability, just visit the link sa comments and description. Gusto mo bang makita Serene Townhomes? Halika, tripping tayo.